An after movie about the dark emergency. Nothing could be easier, most of you are probably thinking. But we ask ourselves every time, what is the dark emergency for you? Should our video start by reminding you of the queue of people in their cars who have probably done nothing but wait for this moment for the past year? Does this event start for you as soon as you cross the well-guarded line of cookie-eating gatekeepers? Does it start at the registration desk or at the campsite with a cool drink? Or when you walk through the big gate to the marketplace, see that impressive banner and think to yourself, luckily, thanks to Nimrod products, I'm going to have the best possible gaming experience. But all that aside, for most of you, the dark emergency will probably start with images like these. For everyone else who was just waiting for the game to start over a cocktail in the VIP area, these scenes may be the epitome of a dark emergency. But now, when after the dark emergency becomes before the dark emergency, what are you most looking forward to in the coming year? And if we can make the wait for next year a little more enjoyable with our products for your day games, take a look at nimrodtactical.com. See you at the next dark emergency.